Here are 14 tips to help you avoid getting ripped off if you're buying supplements on TikTok or other social media platforms. I've been investigating the research on dietary supplements for over 30 years, and I don't work for any supplement company or pharmaceutical company either, so let's get started. Number one, resist the temptation to push the buy button. TikTok in particular makes it very easy to buy supplements on their website. However, when I have compared the prices that I've seen on, say, TikTok to other places like Amazon, eBay, etc., I have found that same supplement for less money on other sites. Number two, if the person is selling the supplement with their shirt off or wearing a muscle shirt, just keep scrolling because muscles don't equal brains. Number three, if the person selling the supplement is making a medical claim, they are in violation of FDA regulations and it proves that they don't know what they're talking about. And by a medical claim, I mean saying that some supplement can reverse or treat some medical condition like cancer, for instance. Number four, if the front of the supplement label is making a lot of claims, soy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, etc., your spider's sense should tingle and you should ask yourself what they're not telling you. It's my experience that the more claims you see being made on the front of the package, or food, by the way, that is often a smokescreen to divert your attention away from something else. Number five, about fat burners. Burning fat does not necessarily mean weight loss. And by the way, when you come right down to it, the evidence for most fat burners is pretty bad. Number six, anyone who says a supplement has no side effects doesn't know what they're talking about. Everything has side effects. Number seven, be careful with online testimonials from people you don't personally know. How do you know it's a real testimonial or whether it's just somebody just trying to make a fast buck? If they're online raving about the benefits of supplements including NMN, NAD, methylene blue, or nitric oxide boosters, among others, just swipe left. Number eight, be careful with claims being made about single ingredient supplements. For example, lutein supplements for eye health. Ingredients don't work by themselves, rather they work in concert with other ingredients. Like for example, lutein and zeaxanthin often go together. And I bring this up as a cautionary tale because decades ago, health experts were raving about the benefits of beta-carotene supplements, reducing the risk of heart disease and cancer. Research proved that none of that was true. However, beta-carotene supplements appear to increase lung cancer. Number nine, look at the supplement facts label, and if you see proprietary blends listed, run. And while you're on that supplement facts label, if you don't see amounts and percentages next to each ingredient, run also. And by the way, when it comes to looking at those percentages, remember only two things. When you see 5% or less, it means it's low in that nutrient. And when you see 20% or more, it means it's high in that nutrient. Number 10, avoid pressing the buy button when sellers say that time is running out and you see a clock ticking down. That's the scarcity tactic, and it's the oldest trick in the book. Just don't fall for it. Be careful with supplement challenges. People who do supplement challenges are essentially lemmings and they don't know what they're doing, and they may be putting their health at risk. Number 11, if you can find the website of the company that sells the supplement, you can put that into another website called whois.com. That website will tell you when the supplement website was registered. And this can be a valuable tool because I've seen supplement websites where the company was only 1 month old. This next one is potentially the most challenging to deal with, and that is be careful with testimonials from doctors and celebrities because AI can make anyone say anything. Bottom line, to stay safe and get the best deal, you're going to have to do your homework if you're going to buy supplements on social media.